Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can export 720p 1080p and 4K video in your cell phone. So simply just you have to go to Play Store, just open your Play Store and now type here the application UCut. So simply when you click this, so here you can see this is the UCut video editor. So just simply you have to install it in your cell phone, and after that you can see this is already installed in my cell phone. So simply just open it, and now here just click here and select the video that you want to export. You can simply search or find all the videos here. After that, when you select the video, just you have to click on save button, and now here you can find all the resolutions are available like 720p 1080p 4K. So here you can select the resolution and also adjust the frame rate here. So after that, here you can set the quality low, medium and high, and after that just click on save button. So here you can see our video is being exported. So in this way you can easily export video in 720p 1080p 4K or any format.